everyone, and welcome back to another video of the love of sewing and craft. My name is Sendy Sempai, and today we are going to embroider a bed towel. The items we will need are a bed towel, our hoop and grit card, top stabilizer. This is a wash away stabilizer, and we have tear away stabilizer. These are the items we will need. The first thing we will do is to find a good placement for our embroidery design. Just like any other garment, our bed towel also has a good side and a wrong side. We will put the embroidery design on the good side of the bed towel. I have decided to place my embroidery design on top of this line, but in the middle. Right now I have this line. The next thing I need to do is to find the middle of this line to find my real placement. I don't have to draw a line here, but the next thing I will do, I will fold my bed towel right in the middle and try to crease it. While I've done that, you can almost see the fainted line that I get here, and that indicates the middle of the line. The next thing I will do is to hoop my bed towel. Before hooping, I'll open my embroidery hoop up, place my tear away stabilizer on top of my hoop, and put my bed towel on top. Remember, I have a line here that I need to use as a good placement. As soon as you found the right spot, open up your hoop and then press it in. As soon as your hoop is in, close up your embroidery hoop again, just to make sure that it won't pop out while you're embroidering. Check the back of your embroidery hoop if everything is okay. When everything is okay, we will remove our grit, and the next thing we will do is to place our top stabilizer on top and secure it. I will use some pin to secure my top stabilizer. Just make sure that while you're placing your pins won't be in the way of your needle. Make sure you place the pins out of the way of your needle, because we don't want any injuries. As soon as I'm done securing the top stabilizer, I will place my grit card on top of my hoop again, just to check that all of my pins that I used to secure my top stabilizer won't be in the way of my embroidery design. They will all be on the outside of the grit. Just make sure. We don't want any injuries. Okay, the next thing that's left to do is to go to the embroidery machine and embroider our embroidery design. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for notification. Because as you click the bell and you subscribe, you will be notified as soon as I post a new video. Let's go to the embroidery machine. This is the embroidery machine. The only difference between the embroidery machine and a normal sewing machine is that the embroidery machine has a embroidery attachment. When you remove the flatbed attachment of the normal computerized sewing machine, then you have room here to place the embroidery attachment to the machine. As soon as you place the embroidery attachment, then you have your complete embroidery machine, and this is what it looks like. The first thing we will do is to put our embroidery machine on and get our embroidery design ready for embroidering. Place your embroidery hoop onto the machine and as soon as you have done that, you can start embroidering. When it's done, this is how our embroidery design will look like. The next thing to do is to clean them up, and as soon as I'm done cleaning them up, I'll show you how they look like. This is what our finished and cleaned bed towels look like. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the bell icon for notification so you will be notified as soon as I post a new video. Thank you, until next time. Bye.